Welcome again to my YouTube channel. Good morning, everyone. It's morning in my garden. It's a small garden behind my house, and now I'm enjoying my time here. I feel relaxed seeing the beauty of nature. I like green color and also the beautiful color of flowers. So now I'm here with my Nikon D5200 here. I love photography, especially photographing nature. It would be more beautiful with sunlight actually, but it's cloudy this morning. But I think it's still okay. I still get the natural light and it's still enough for doing photography. Look there, the sky. It's very dark. Actually, the sun is over there, but we cannot see the sun now because the clouds in the sky. I'm using kit lens with my camera, and to get close-up photo, I usually use manual focus because if I'm using autofocus, I must take photos a bit far from the object. It's around 20 centimeters maybe. There are two locations actually. It's here. There are two here and over there. Also two zinnia flowers, and one is different color. Yeah, it's like orange, and there's pink. And far away over there, also some zinnia flowers and a papaya trees there, and then this papaya too. Okay, bougainville. But now this one first. Using manual focus, I can take with a very close distance like this, around 10 centimeters. But using autofocus, I must take with a little bit far distance like this. I take from above. So now the green color of the leaves under the zinnia flower become the background, so it becomes really contrast, orange color and green color. So the beauty of the zinnia flower becomes really standing out. Got one here. Look, the background is green and it's blurred, so the color of the flower is really standing out. Now the pink one, like this. Yeah, it's pink. Let's try different angle. There is an insect under the flower. I try to be really close. This is what I got. Beautiful. The pink one. I try to take from another angle as well like this. So I'm using 55 millimeters in here. Oh, there is an N. Yes, the N is walking there. Okay, I got three with little N. This is the flower. Okay, let's try to find another zinnia flowers with different background. Maybe the flower over there, the one. Let's try that. So I include the leaf above it. Okay, I got this. It's wonderful, the beautiful nature. Okay, the green and the pink color. Okay, another one. Let's try that one. So I will try to make that leaf as a background of this flower. Let's try. And also maybe that colored leaves. That also beautiful. Like this is what I got. Blurry background with light green color. Okay, that's wonderful. There is another dry zinnia flowers over there. Yes, it's like different things then. I'll try to take it. Like this. Okay, it's a contrast. Dry and fresh green leaves in the background. And now let's try again the one from above. So the ground, the soil becomes the background now. Okay, this combination green and pink colors. This okay, beautiful. There is another flower with water drops. Look here, this one. There are some water drops on it. Let's take it. I include the leaves. I think I need to take a bit close. Only the flowers. The water drops really clear from is what I got. Is with the leaves. Let's try the zinnia flowers in the occasion over there. I think this one is also beautiful. Simple. Let's try take it. So the wall become the background. There are two zinnia flowers here. This one and it's the height of flowers. This one too, small one. And there are two here. So close to the chili tree leaves. Okay, I'll take this four zinnia flowers. This one, the big one. Big flowers. Try to close from above first with the green leaves in the background. Okay, and from lower angle like this, so I can capture the the side of the flowers. Okay, I got two now. This one, oh, that look wonderful. Yes, unique form. It's like Japanese ornament. Yes, one from above with green background, and another one. This one is very small and combination with another flower. Let's try. I make the wall as a background. So two flowers then in one frame. Yes, like this. And this one. Okay. Uh, let's a bit close up. It's like snail eyes. The two horns. Okay. Let's now the last one, the one. zinnia flowers with chili tree leaves. Okay, like this. And another one. So the bigger one in the background with on the closest one. Like this. Yes. And there's another flowers here. It also look wonderful. It's the last, I guess. I need to go to work. Okay. With a little drop of water. Yes. Wonderful color combination. This. Okay, I think enough for this morning.